So to install Y Wallet, it depends on what platform you're using. For mobile phones, it's very easy because the application is available on the Google Store and the Apple Store. So you just need to click on this button here or search for Y Wallet on the respective store. So for desktop, it's a bit different. If you are looking for the Windows version, we have the application in the Microsoft Store. So you can go here, click on this guy, and then you will go to the official App Store for Windows. There's also the option to download the zip file, and then, so if you want to do that and bypass the store, you just need to download the zip file, then uncompress to a directory, and run the Y Wallet application, the exe that's there. So it's self-contained. No need to install anything else. And it will not copy anything in your system directories. You don't need to be admin for that. For macOS, we have two versions. We have a version for Apple Silicon, which are the M1, M1X, M1 Ultra, M2, all this family of new Apple chips. So the application is compiled specifically for the Apple Silicon and will run faster than if you're using the Intel version. The Intel version is can run on the M1 chip, but it will run under Rosetta, under the x86-64 emulator. And finally, we have a version for Linux, and that version is a Flatpak. Among all these versions, the hardest one to install is the Linux one. So I'm going to make a dedicated video for that. The idea is that there are many different Linux installations, and they have different versions of the runtime. They have different kernel, different C runtime libraries, etc., etc. So we can't just make one binary that would work for all of these. So instead we use Flatpak, which is a package manager and a package service. It's a package manager which includes the runtime. So we're going to take a look at that in another video. So if you have issues running the Linux version, take a look at that video. All right, other than that, this is all you need to know to install Y Wallet.